Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last weekend, in July 5th, the major indexes had a good week as investors digested the economic data for the week. The ISM Manufacturing PMI came in lower than expected at 48.5 and remained in contraction territory for the third consecutive month, suggesting expectations of slower demand ahead. Construction spending declined 0.1% in May. Job openings increased in May compared to April as government as well as durable goods manufacturing job openings increased considerably. The U.S. trade deficit increased to $75.1 billion during May, the highest since October of 2022. The U.S. imported 212 million barrels of crude oil in May, the highest since July of 2019. The ISM Services PMI came in lower than expected, suggesting the service side of the economy may be weakening. Durable goods orders declined in May as the manufacturing sector continued to weaken after showing some promise during the previous 3 months. Jobless claims came in at 238,000 for the week ending June 29th, an increase of 4,000 from the previous week. Non-farm payrolls added 206,000 jobs in May due to a very strong government sector adding 70,000 jobs. The unemployment rate increased again from 4% to 4.1%. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 4.47%, the S&P is up 16.72%, and the Nasdaq is up 22.26%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.28%. Oil closed at $83.28 a barrel. Gold closed up at $2,325.55 an ounce, with silver closing at $31.21 an ounce. For this week of July 8th, Monday we'll get consumer credit data. Tuesday, the NFIB Optimism Index will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get wholesale inventory data. Thursday, initial jobless claims and the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, will be reported. CPI is a measure of the average change over time in the prices paid by consumers for a market basket of goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. And on Friday, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, will be reported. PPI measures the average change in prices that producers receive for their output. It is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. Core PPI excludes food and energy. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.